Hello friends, this is Bombastic Boy welcoming you back to my Bombast channel. In today's video I will be gonna show you the unboxing of Yamaha subwoofer. I've bought it from Amazon.in, and this is some pictures of the subwoofer. So just see this. This is the back of the subwoofer, and this is a wiring cable. And yeah, now let's get started. And I hope that you will enjoy the video. Like the video and please subscribe to the channel if you are new. So let's get started.
I'm Miss Jackson. Ooh, I am for real.
Here I have the box, and this is from Amazon.com, and inside it there is a subwoofer. So this is the packaging, nice packaging. This is safe packaging, so I liked it. So now let's open. Yeah, let's go. I have the box, so let's open it. Subwoofer, the bass quality is nice. Okay, so if you like the video, please smash the like button, comment down, and if you're the new to my channel. Please subscribe the channel. Yes, links are in the description. Please click the link. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on FB. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye bye.